Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down complex market data into digestible insights. Today, December 9th, 2024, we're diving deep into the QQQ, the Invesco QQQ Trust, to understand its recent performance and forecast potential future movements. We'll analyze current events impacting the Nasdaq and correlate those events with the price action shown in the charts. Recent news highlights a mixed market sentiment. While some positive economic indicators are boosting investor confidence, concerns about inflation and geopolitical instability persist. Let's see how these factors reflect on the QQQ's price action. Looking at the daily chart for QQQ, we see a clear upward trend over the past few months, with the price steadily increasing. However, there are a couple of instances where we see temporary price corrections that can be interpreted as short-term bearish signals. Let's zoom in on the period from August 1st to August 17th. Notice the significant price drop, approximately a 10% decrease from the highs, aligning with concerns about the global economy. We can see an initial support at around 370. The recovery that follows showcases a notable resistance around the 380 level, a key psychological barrier for the QQQ. The price struggled to break through this level until late September. Shifting to the hourly chart, we can observe more detailed price fluctuations. The 370 level seen in the daily chart was consistent in this time frame as well. In comparison to the daily chart, the hourly chart has far more rapid fluctuations. The hourly chart shows several instances of support and resistance levels within the recent upward trend. We notice a strong support level around 360 and resistance between 380 and 385. These levels are consistent across multiple timeframes and support the overall trend. Now, let's examine the 15-minute chart to detect short-term trends and potential trading opportunities. Here, we can identify even more frequent price fluctuations within the hourly candle ranges. The 15-minute candles are even more prone to short-term fluctuations. The 15-minute chart's intraday action provides insights into volatility. While it shows similar support and resistance levels to those in the higher time frames, the short-term moves are often sharp, indicating the need for tight stop losses during active periods. In summary, the QQQ shows a long-term bullish trend, evidenced by the upward price action on the daily and hourly charts. However, short-term volatility persists. Key support levels exist around 370 and 400 on the daily chart and even lower in the hourly and 15-minute charts, while resistance is observed around 380, with stronger resistance forming around 400, 420 and higher. The likelihood of the QQQ reaching 400 within the next few weeks is moderately high, especially if positive economic news emerges and inflation cools. A break above 420 would solidify the bullish momentum. However, unexpected negative geopolitical events or a resurgence in inflation could hinder this progress and bring the price down towards the 370 or even the 360 support level. Things to watch include the release of upcoming economic indicators, such as the CPI and employment reports, which could significantly shift market sentiment. Geopolitical developments and specific news related to major technology companies in the Nasdaq 100 would also impact the price of QQQ.